Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Project Pulse 1. This product will be available in www.projectpulse.in. For abstracts and more information, visit www.projectpulse.in. Today we are going to learn about rain sensor interfacing with Raspberry Pi HAT-2. Now observe the circuit diagram. Take a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus board and take a Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Connect the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus and Raspberry Pi HAT-2 boards with 40-pin connector. Connect the power supply and HDMI cable to the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus board. Now connect the power supply to the Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Connect the LCD to the Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Take a rain sensor. Connect the sensor ground pin to ground pin of Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Connect the sensor data pin to CH0 pin of Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Connect the sensor VCC pin to plus 3.3 volts pin of Raspberry Pi HAT-2 board. Switch on the power supply. Open the code and observe it. Run the program. Observe the output. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.